Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm going to show you what I bought yesterday at garage sales that I'm going to be reselling. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from my garage. And I'm going to show you the stuff I found at garage sales yesterday along with my girlfriend and what we plan to resell it all for. Don't forget to follow me at Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can get this free money-making guide. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you 50 items that we commonly look for at garage sales and thrift stores that we sell for more money. So go check it out, first link down below. Also, while I have you, the most aggressive, this is the best sale I've ever had on my 7 guides. By the time you're watching this video, I think there's only 6 or 8 hours left on the sale. It's not very long. So yeah, go check it out. It's the second link down below. It'll be the second link down below. And, if you're lucky enough to get this aggressive deal, you'll learn so much about the buying and reselling of used goods based upon my 7 guides. It's an insane deal. I've never had a deal this good. So go check it out, second link down below. And maybe if you're lucky enough, you can pounce on this deal before it expires. I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna show you what I found at garage sales yesterday. All right, so first up, this was sitting in a clothing rack. Kind of cool. I think this was only like $5. Yep. $5, and I told my girlfriend to buy it. This is gonna go in the antique booth. So cool. It's a Silverado, size large, kind of like this neat, almost Pendleton vibey kind of vest. The buttons are there. So that was one of the first finds. Actually, not the first finds. It was one of the tail end finds of the morning. But this will go in the booth and sell for between $50 and $100 all day. Not even a question. At that same garage sale, I found this stadium throw, which is kind of nice. Like, it's just like a wool blanket. But even more important than that, it's an actual Pendleton. Now, before you go around thinking that this thing is super valuable, it's actually not. It's more for personal use, and it was a $3 find. It has holes in it left and right all over the place. I'm probably gonna put this in my SUV as just a blanket. It's just really neat. And it's a nice blanket to bring to like a park or something like that, but it does have holes in it. But even if it didn't have holes in it, surprisingly enough, a stadium throw type blanket like this would only resell for about $50, maybe up to 80. So it's not the crazy profit that you're thinking about. Now, had it been a thicker kind of blanket with a more traditional kind of print that you see on Pendleton stuff, then yeah, that would be worth a lot of money. But this is a much thinner thing. It's wool. It is a Pendleton, but it can get kind of tricky, because if this was $10 at a garage sale, you might be like, holy crap, $10, and then you only get to resell it for like maybe 50 or maybe 60. So it might not be worth it. And plus, since it's wool, high chance it will have a hole. And this one has, a good amount. Now, next item, which is really cool, this, very unsuspecting, more than likely coming from the 60s to the 80s. I'm not sure the year, but this is an actual Coach Willis purse that I told my girlfriend to buy. This was $15 at a garage sale. Coach Willis purses, at least from those eras or those decades, sell between about $100 to $500. So yeah, condition of this one, pretty decent. And quite honestly, it's a very thick kind of leather. But yeah, the Coach Willis purse is a very timeless kind of design, very sought after type purse. You can go check out the eBay solds for a Coach Willis purse. This is actually the second one that we found in a week. We found one also last weekend for $25, and it's gonna make its way on a vlog pretty soon, you'll see. But yeah, Coach Willis purse, pretty cool. You can also run the numbers in these purses, and you can see what year it came from if you look at the little thing inside right there. Next up from a garage sale, this is so cool. This was $10. It actually had a price tag of a $10 and a $20 price tag on it. I asked the guy, he just took the $20 one off, and he goes, how about $10? So King Ranch, dipped canvas, awesome like Talon zipper or Scoville zipper, but this looks like a Talon zipper to me, honestly. It says Scoville zipper, but a beautiful King Ranch dipped canvas bag, pretty nice handles. Kind of weekender style, so I might list it as that. Dimensions are probably, it's like a 19-inch kind of bag. Really cool carry-on type thing. So keywords would be like luggage, dipped canvas, King Ranch, leather, canvas, whatever. But these kind of King Ranch bags will go between $100 and $300. If it's a dipped canvas or if it's a leather one, King Ranch is a great brand. You should look out for this 100%. It's getting so hot in this garage, but there are not that many finds from garage sales yesterday, but there are enough good ones that I wanted to make this video. And plus, the last one's pretty interesting. It's something I haven't found many of at all. I'm looking at it, and it's pretty big, pretty awesome. Yeah, it's cool. It'll be the last find I'll show you on this video. I got some cool You know, snorkel kits, which I'm going to keep for personal. Start actually treasure hunting in some of the rivers and creeks here in this town. So yeah, we have snorkel stuff in there. There's the thing I showed you earlier. I think we're pretty much at that last find. I'll show you something I bought from a thrift store that's pretty cool. Resale of about 80 to 100 bucks. Right here, Solomon XA Ultras. These are edition 2s. So this has resale of about 80 to 100 bucks. And this was like 11 bucks at a thrift store not too long ago. All right, here's the last find. It's a short video, guys, but I want to show you exactly what I bought yesterday. And here it is. This is a 1964 Evinrude Yacht Twin motor. 2-stroke, pretty cool, 3 horsepower. I mean, great condition. The reason why I bought this thing, it was pretty easy, was that just certain pieces of this sell on eBay for good money. Like that right there would sell for like 35 bucks or so. Cover sell for like 80. It's in good condition. It's got some cool like patina to it. Probably gonna list it in my booth and online, maybe even eBay as well. So booth, local markets, and eBay. That's like kind of like the attack on this one. The guy said it does work. He even offered to like start it up right there at the garage sale. So that was kind of interesting, but not something that you see the Bonafide hustler pick up, you know, every single day. So it's $25. I do think that the resale on this is somewhere in the vicinity of like $300 to $500. Not something you see every day. Check it out. What do you think of this find right here? Okay, it's way too hot inside that garage, but that was the last find. And I have to get in my house because I'm about to sell a bike to a person that just ran to the ATM because they wanted the bike that I showed them earlier before the video started. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know about that boat motor. Not something I buy and resell all the time, but you know, when I find them, that's cool. But I hope it's a short haul, but I have to show you guys some of the things that we found. I really wish we had just videoed the whole thing. I'm trying to think if there are more finds because it seems kind of light, but you know, sometimes after these videos are filmed, I find things throughout the garage. I'm like, oh yeah, that belongs on the video, or oh yeah, I forgot to show that. And I'm thinking, did I show everything? But the haul coming after this is the haul from last weekend. It's gonna be a little longer of a haul. I did film the entire thing, so make sure you hit the like button when you see that one, because that one's crazy. We found so much cool stuff. All that stuff's exactly where it needs and where it belongs, you know? Some of that stuff is already sold, but that was a week ago. So that video is gonna be dropped on Tuesday. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, put a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.